The R25PS Dominator Series Stump Grinder is the latest addition in Reist Industries' line of land management tools. Built around a 1026 RPM gearbox with a 540 RPM input, powering a robust 25-inch rotor, optimized to cut in one direction and fitted with indexable wear-sharp carbine teeth that chews through stumps with efficiency. The teeth can be indexed up to 3 times before needing to be replaced, extending their life and decreasing operational costs. Dominator stump grinders require 2 hydraulic remotes for operation, allowing the grinder to pivot in a 55-degree arc and control cutting depth. An easy-to-read gauge helps operators determine precise cutting depth from the seat of their power unit. An optional hydraulic valve with an ergonomically adjustable arm can be added to control the hydraulic functions from the tractor with only one available remote. A standard adjustable flow control enables operators to dial in the return speed of the arm to suit any operating condition or experience level. A flexible HDPE shield is rigid enough to safely contain debris while flexible enough to maneuver around stumps. For added protection, Dominator stump grinders are also equipped with a slip clutch protection to protect you from your investment. The R25SP stump grinder can also be fitted to any Category 1 or 2 style hitches and is also quick hitch compatible. For any more information on this product or others, visit us at reistindustries.com.